So this video is how to create a carpet for your model car using flocking. So the important thing is to finish your cabin or cockpit with all the painting and spraying that you're going to do before you do this. And as you can see here, I'm using a white PVA type glue, and you can use a regular paintbrush. This glue is water soluble, so at the end you can simply rinse it off in water and get all the glue out of the paintbrush. Make sure that you spread it all over the areas that you want to get the carpet on. You can always add more, like you see that I just did. You do have some work time with this, but you can't leave it for too long because it'll dry out and then the flocking won't stick. So you spread it all around and cover all the areas that you want to. If you by mistake were to paint the glue onto an area you don't want to get the flocking, you do have to wipe that off. Now I've got a really large bag of the black flocking because most of the car interiors that I make are black, and I do also have beige and some red, but the biggest one I have is black because that's the one I make the most with. Then this is a little mini flocker. Basically it's a little tube that you can pump the little particles out of the bottom there. You can also use a little sieve or a tea strainer, and you're basically just going to pump the flocking onto the glue from all different angles, and this is what's going to create the carpet. Don't worry about if you get it everywhere. I do generally have a large paper sheet underneath this that I collect the flocking afterwards, and I make sure it's clean so I can recycle it, and I put it back in the bag. But as you can see, I just poured tons of the stuff in there, and it's not a big deal because at the end, as you see right now, I'm just going to tap it over and get all the excess out, and then as you can see, it's carpet in your model car. There's one little spot there that I have to go back and touch up by the gear shift, and that is how to make carpet for your model car.